हेमंत पाकळे माझ्या या एज्युकेशनल यूट्यूब चॅनलच्या वतीनं मी आपल्या सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत करतो. त्याचबरोबर या प्रश्न सराव मालिकेमध्ये देखील आपल्या सर्वांचं सहर्ष स्वागत आहे. नक्कीच ही प्रश्न सराव मालिका सर्वांना उपयुक्त अशी सराव मालिका आहे. सर्वांनी या प्रश्न सराव मालिकेचा नियमितपणे अभ्यास करावा. आजचा घटक आपण पाहणार आहोत. तत्पूर्वी मी पुन्हा एकदा आपल्या सर्वांना विनंती करतो की माझं हे एज्युकेशनल यूट्यूब चॅनल सर्वांनी सबस्क्राईब करा, लाईक करा आणि शेअरही करा. चला तर आजचा घटक पाहूया आपण.
Darwin has published a book titled Natural Selection, Origin of Species, Mutation, Fall of a Sparrow. Darwin has published a book titled Origin of Species. Evolution means ... gradual development, transcription, exchange, differentiation. Evolution means gradual development. The ... man evolved about 50,000 years ago. Neanderthal, Java man, Cro-Magnon, Ramapithecus. The Cro-Magnon man evolved about 50,000 years ago. Vestigial organ ... present in human body is proof of evolution. Liver, heart, alveoli, appendix. Vestigial organ appendix present in human body is proof of evolution. About 10,000 years ago ... started to practice agriculture. Gorilla, wise man, Australopithecus, Ramapithecus. About 10,000 years ago, wise man started to practice agriculture. Is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Peripatus, lungfish, whale, duckbill platypus. Peripatus is a connecting link between Annelida and Arthropoda. Can be considered as the first example of wise man. Australopithecus, Ramapithecus, Neanderthal man, Cro-Magnon. Neanderthal man can be considered as the first example of wise man. The proof for the fact that protein synthesis occurs through ... was given by George Biddle and Edward Tatum. Genes, tissues, cells, amino acids. The proof for the fact that protein synthesis occurs through genes was given by George Biddle and Edward Tatum. Transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA is called ... process. Translocation, translation, transcription, mutation. Transfer of information from molecule of DNA to mRNA is called transcription process. The causality behind sudden changes was understood due to ... principle of Hugo de Vries. Translation, translocation, transcription, mutation. The causality behind sudden changes was understood due to mutation principle of Hugo de Vries.